how to create a landing page with Canva step by step. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can create your own landing page with Canva. So let's get started. Now, the first step to getting started with creating our own landing page is to head on over onto Canva, and then you're just going to click on website. Now, Canva allows you to create a single page website, which basically means a landing page. And landing pages can serve multiple different purposes, whether you're trying to build a promo landing page, you're trying to build a portfolio, or anything else. Landing pages can do it all. So on the top, I'm going to make this my Velvet landing page, and I'm going to title this on the top so it's easier for me to navigate through this design. Then by default, Canva adds this singular canvas, and you can click on Add Page to add more screen area. This is not actually a separate page, it's just a scrollable page section. Then if you click on Design on the left, you will have several different types of templates that you can explore. I'm going to search for landing page over here, and you can see several landing page templates as well. Now, I want to just go with a simple draft, so I am going to build something which is not going to be taken from a template because I just want something really simple. And for that, first off, we can use our brand kit styles if we want, but I'm going to base this totally off of my brand. So I want this to be very pink, and I want it to be a landing page for a makeup cleansing balm that is being launched for my Shopify store. First off, I'm going to add this color. This is too cool, so I'm going to make it a bit more warm like this. And then once I've added the color, I'm going to add the same color onto the second section as well. And after that, I am going to go into elements, and I'm going to search for cleansing balm. And I can use any, stock footage. Obviously, you want to use your own product photo, but I am just going to be using some stock footage. And I think I want to go with a photo instead of an element. So we're just going to be using that. And once I have my photo over here, I think I want to make this a large banner for my first page. And I'm just going to place this image like so. And I'm just going to crop this out, crop the lower half a bit like this, and then click on done. And now I'm going to place it like so. Then over here, I'm going to add some text, enter a title. I'm going to say, oh, so cleansing. And this is going to probably be some type of sales line. So, oh, so cleansing, infused with skin protecting ingredients. And then I'm going to click on my font and then choose the type of font I want to use. I'm going to choose one individual font. I want this to be soft, so I'm just going to search for a softer font like this. And this looks nice. So now I'm going to change the text color to white. And you might say, hey, this is not very visible. Well, we're going to make this a bit more visible. First off, we're going to ensure that the image is centered like this. The person in the image is not wholly at the center. We're just going to make sure it is now. Now I'm going to go into elements, and I'm just going to go into shapes, select a square shape, and then you're going to expand the shape so it covers the area necessary for your little text box, and place it at the center. Place your text above, click on the square shape, add a black color, then on the top right, select the transparency of your choice. Now you can make this black or you can make this pink, whatever you prefer. My text is already white, so I'm just going to make this a gray color so it does display my text properly. And I think I want to go with a black color instead because I want my text to be really nicely visible. Then below that, I want to add a call to action button. To do that, I can go into elements and search for button over here, and I can use one of their pre-made buttons in the form of these graphics. Or if you don't want to, you can just go into all. And you're going to go into shapes over here. Once you go into shapes, choose the shape that you want for your button. I just like to go with a rounded square, and then change the shape size like this. And then you have this really nice little capsule-esque shape for your button. And we're going to do this, resize it a bit over here. Once we resize it, we're going to click on text, And then we're going to add a subheading, which is going to be buy now or shop. And then we're going to place it right over here. I'm going to change the color of my button to be pink. And then my text color should, I think, be soft again. I'm going to make it slightly different. And then I'm going to make it a dark color instead. And now it's time to actually lock the background. And then I'm going to, we're going to lock the background image over here. And we're going to press Command and select both the text and the capsule. You can do Command, or I think on a Windows device is going to be Control, like this. Just multi-select both of these together. For some reason, it's going to keep on selecting the background image instead. So I'm going to lock that as well. Then I'm going to select these two together, click on lock. Before I click on lock, I like to click on this. These three dots, click on link. And I'm going to add herbeauty.com. Whatever link you want to add it. And then remove the underline. I don't like the underline. So once I have done this, I just like to select it, remove the underline, and then lock these. So even if I move, these things around, it doesn't move. Like so. Lock this as well. So now even if I move this around, it's not going to move around until I move it. Then below that on our landing page, I like to add some type of cohesive or anchoring element. Usually this is going to be some type of design that flows from the top page to the bottom. And I'm just going to search for ribbon over here. For that, I'm going to go into graphics, and then we're going to search for some type of ribbon like this. And once we do that, we can add it over here. And you might say, hey, it's not appearing on the second page. Well, don't worry. It's going to. Once you do that, you're just going to do Command C, Command V, place it over here. And once we have it placed on our second page, like so, duplicate the sizing. So you can just bring the same one like this. And once you duplicate the sizing, you're just going to crop the upper half. Click on this. You're not going to move it in size. You're going to actually crop the section which is on top like this. Once you do that, just place the rest of it like so. And you guys can see it looks like a cohesive element that is from one page to the next. And then I can, add features and other things about my product or whatever type of landing page this is. Once completed, click on Publish Website on the top right and you will get a free Canva URL that you can use. But if you want, you can even connect your own domain. And just like that, your Canva landing page is ready. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.